You know, the best thing about New York is how inspiring it is. It's so inspiring. It's so beautiful. Just back from New York, I wanted to bring you kind of reflection of what I saw for all of you. Wonderful trip, wonderful experiences. This first, these are all going to be $12.99. These are New York prices that we're going to bring you. This is a crushed velvet. It's brown, so we know that earth tones are very, very in, not just in, but doing very well. Your browns, your golds, your all those earth tones, and you're going to see it ties in with this gold beautifully, but we've got a ways to get there. So this is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It's just a really pretty piece of fabric. Teal is being associated with the brown, and teal is just beautiful. This is a woven. This can be used either side. It doesn't make a difference. It's a cotton poly. It is a woven, but I just wanted you to see the hand, the drape. It's just beautiful, and I know why you can't feel it. It's a lovely piece of fabric. Beautiful blouse, lots of things. So I brought this in because we've had this. This is 100% cotton. We've had it in different colors, but the brown is our baby. This is our earth tone. This is our really beautiful piece of fabric. Again, $12.99, 100% cotton. It's really a jacket weight. You could do a blouse, but it's a beautiful jacket weight or pants. And then because there's a cream in here, I brought in a tencel. And this is 100% tencel. It's a milk color. And what's even better than that, this is a woven, is this ribbing that just blends perfectly with it. This is 100% cotton, has stretch in one direction. It's a very, very fine ribbing. And what we saw is blouses with ribbing at the cuffs. We saw bomber jackets with ribbing at the neckline and bottom. So this really could do a blouse or a bomber jacket. It's really that medium weight that could do either one. And then it could be finished off with this ribbing. 100% tencel, 100% cotton, and then we have this beautiful liquid gold, I'm going to call it. This is a super liquid gold. I mean, it's really thin, stretch in both directions, cotton poly, and just really beautiful as far as draping goes. So $12.99 today, and tomorrow, you guys, this is happy sewing. This is straight from New York, and happy sewing, and I wish you all that.